Hello guys, welcome back to Swing Trading Shark. I decided to record today's video in English, hoping to reach out a broader audience. Normally I am recording my videos in Hindi, but today I decided let's do it in English as well. So the price has been doing exactly what I predicted, and you can refer back to the video that I last uploaded. You'll see I gave a Elliott wave count of these 5 waves, which I was expecting. While I recorded the video, the price was at this wave 3 level. I was expecting a rejection right from where we got it. We got a fifth wave. I'm looking for a three wave up now, which might follow this ABC structure. The second possibility is that we might sweep this low one more time and come a little bit lower to this weekly level, which I have marked, which is at 72,700, grabbing all this liquidity before we go up. In that case, that would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, right? The wave 4, which currently is at the range point of control. Now, I suggest you to mark these levels that I have marked on the video, making it very easy for you to make trading decisions as well. These are the most important levels for a day trade or a swing trade. Just to let you know, I'm still holding a swing short, which I took exactly at this candle because it reached the 1-to-1 extension and had other technical confirmations. I am still holding that short. I did take some profit at this low value area, which is sitting at 75,300. So if you look at my past video, you will see I had predicted exactly this price to be taken before this move up. As of now, I have not taken any swing long. I would be looking for a pullback, and this pullback is going to decide if I will be interested in a swing long. Basically, if the price takes out this low, that's gonna be one of the best things that can happen. It might be a sweep. That means the price goes below this low but does not close below it, or it might as well be a retest of this weekly level coming in at around 72,700. If any of these things happen, that would validate a very good setup for me. On the other hand, if this price just comes back to the low value area marked on the chart, which also has a daily point of control, daily is still untapped, meaning that there's a very strong area where we can be looking for a long setup. Again, unless I don't get confirmations, I don't enter a trade. But planning a trade over here makes sense for a few reasons. One of them is wherever is the low, depending upon if there's a liquidity sweep or not, that's your confirmation of a stop loss. Your take profit could go at least. So my expectation for the third wave, this ABC, is to go to 79,200, right? Which comes in around this value area high, which comes at around 79,600. So in this range is where I'm expecting the third wave to come in. And following that, we will see if there's a rejection at this region. You can expect another continuation down. But as of now, I do not see this. Technically speaking, I don't see any bullish signs as of now, right? Uh, there is a possibility that this price can still be we can still expect a new higher high than this high. But that possibility, in my opinion, is a little bit less. But we will see as it goes. Now, going into a smaller time frame, I'm looking at a time scale of 15 minutes. The price is currently rejecting from a very important level. You can see over here, this is the range point of control, and it's also a daily level, which we are hitting right now. The moment we got a sweep of this level, that would have been a good position to enter this short setup if somebody is interested in shorts. Currently, I am only taking short setups. I am not going for long setups. The reason behind being, if it is a bear market, which I think it is, the short setups have a higher probability of playing out than the long setups, right? So if I was interested in long setup, I would be looking at this area and how we react in this area. In fact, I might be looking at a sweep of this level. Let me mark that quickly as well. That's going to be a level of liquidity, which is coming in at around 74,200. I'd like to keep the videos short and just give you very important levels and what to expect next in the market. I use multiple theories, including Elliott waves, market analysis, using volume concepts, market option theory, and other concepts as well. So to take note of these levels. You can mark them in your chart and see if you get a positive reaction. If you get a confirmation signal at this area, it might be a good long setup to target these higher levels of liquidity as well. That being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so that I can share more of my analysis with you on a daily basis. Thank you.